Dream of studying in the US for free? What if I told you thousands of international students are unlocking doors to Harvard, Stanford, and Yale right now, without paying a single dime in tuition, living costs, or even application fees? Yeah, you heard that right. No loans, no debt, just pure opportunity. But most people chase the wrong paths, fall for scams, or give up because it feels impossible. Stick with me till the end, because I'm handing you the exact blueprint to turn this dream into your reality for 2026. You'll walk away knowing the top scholarships to target, how to craft an application that stands out, and insider hacks to land a full ride worth over $300,000. Let's dive in. Your future self will thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we break down real strategies to level up your education without breaking the bank. I'm your host, and I've helped hundreds of students navigate the wild world of international scholarships. I've seen friends and ments go from small-town dreamers to global leaders at top universities. I know this works. But let's be real, studying in the US is crazy expensive. Tuition at places like Harvard can hit $60,000 a year, plus another $20,000 for living expenses. Application fees, $75 to $100 per school. For international students, it's even tougher. No federal loans, limited work options, and exchange rates that make everything feel impossible. But what if there's a way around all that? Fully funded scholarships aren't myths, they're real, backed by governments, universities, and foundations. These aren't partial awards. We're talking full packages: tuition, housing, meals, flights, health insurance, books, even pocket money. Imagine landing in Boston or Palo Alto with everything covered, focusing solely on your studies and building lifelong connections. That's the game changer we're unpacking today. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step plan, real success stories, and warnings to dodge scams that trap so many. If you're serious, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got more insider tips coming. Why are these scholarships such a big deal? The average international student graduates with over $30,000 in debt, if they can even afford to start. Fully funded scholarships flip the script. They don't just pay bills, they invest in you as a future leader. I've interviewed alumni who've started companies, influenced policy, changed communities. One mentee from Nigeria landed a scholarship and is now advising on global health at the UN. These aren't handouts, they're launches. Best part? No application fees for the ones we're covering today. Zero. You can apply from your bedroom in India, a cafe in Brazil, anywhere, without spending a penny up front. Is this really possible for you? If you've got strong academics, passion for your field, and a story to tell, yes. These programs seek diversity, innovation, impact. They're not just about grades, they're about potential. Stick around for my top hacks to boost your odds from 1% to way higher. Let's get to the gold, the best fully funded scholarships with no app fees for 2026. First up, the Fulbright Foreign Student Program. This is the heavyweight champ, sponsored by the US government since 1946. It's produced over 400,000 alumni, including 60 Nobel Prize winners. What does it cover? Everything. Full tuition for your master's or PhD, a monthly living stipend, think $1,500 to $3,000 depending on the city, round-trip airfare, health insurance, even funding for books and conferences. No more eating instant noodles every night. You're set. Who's it for? Graduate students from over 155 countries outside the US. If you're studying public health, engineering, arts, business, this is your ticket. You need a bachelor's degree, strong English skills, TOEFL or IELTS, and citizenship in a participating country. No US citizens or green card holders. Age? No limit, but most are in their 20s or 30s. You must return home for 2 years after to share what you've learned. That's the cultural exchange part. How do you apply without a fee? Go to the official Fulbright website or your local US embassy. No third parties. The process starts with an online application. Deadlines vary by country, often February to October 2025 for 2026. You'll need transcripts, a statement of purpose explaining your goals and how you'll foster mutual understanding, 3 recommendation letters, test scores. Some countries require interviews or leadership essays. Here's a tip. Show how you'll bridge cultures. One applicant from Kenya highlighted her work in sustainable farming, tying it to U.S. innovations she got in first try. Let me tell you about Maria from Colombia. She was a teacher in a rural area, dreaming of a master's in education. Applied to Fulbright in 2020, got funded for NYU. Now she's back home, reforming schools and running a non-profit. That's the ripple effect. If Maria can do it, so can you. More success tips coming. Keep watching. Next, the Knight-Hennessy Scholars Program at Stanford University. This one's for ambitious trailblazers. Launched in 2016 by Nike's co-founder Phil Knight and Stanford's former president, it builds global leaders. It covers full tuition for any graduate program, MBA, law, medicine, engineering, plus a $50,000 yearly stipend, travel grants, leadership workshops with world leaders. Who's it for? Masters, PhD, JD, MD, any full-time grad degree at Stanford. No field restrictions, but they love interdisciplinary thinkers. You need a bachelor's by September 2026, apply within 5 years of graduation, show independence, leadership, civic mindset. Open to all nationalities. No U.S. citizenship required. How to apply? No fee for the Knight-Hennessy part. Deadlines October 8, 2025, 1 p.m. Pacific. You apply separately to your Stanford grad program. Those might have fees, but waivers exist for need. The KHS app needs essays on your influences and impact, a 2-minute video statement, practice it, recommendations, transcripts. They pick about 100 scholars from thousands. Here's a hack. Highlight your unique strengths. One scholar from India shared his AI app for farmers during COVID. It sealed the deal. No minimum GPA, but aim for 3.7 or higher. I'll share how to nail that video pitch later. Now, Yale University Scholarships, the need-based powerhouse. Yale's been need-blind for internationals since 2001. Your finances don't affect admission. They cover 100% of demonstrated need. For families earning under $75,000, it's often full tuition, room, board, zero contribution. Average award? Over $50,000 a year. Who's it for? Undergraduates from anywhere. Apply to Yale undergrad, show need via CSS profile, tax docs. No separate scholarship app, Yale auto-considers you. How to apply fee-free? Request a waiver for the $80 app fee on Common App or Coalition App if it's a hardship, easy approval for low income. Deadlines, early action November 1, 2025, regular decision January 2, 2026. Submit your statement of purpose, recommendation letters, test optional scores, transcripts. Let me share Ahmed's story. He's from Egypt, first gen, family earned $10,000 a year. Applied to Yale in 2018, got everything covered. Graduated debt-free, now at Google. That's real. Harvard University scholarships are similar, through their financial aid initiative since 2004. They cover 100% of need. Families under $85,000 pay nothing. Up to $200,000 pay 10% or less. Full tuition, housing, meals, health, full ride for many. Who's it for? Undergrads, need blind for all. Apply via Common App, CSS profile. Fee waiver for the $85 app fee if hardship. Deadlines match Yale's. Here's a tip. Weave resilience into your essays. A student from Vietnam shared overcoming floods to study. Harvard ate it up. Finally, AAUW International Fellowships for Women. Since 1917, empowering women globally. It offers $20,000 to $50,000 for master's, PhD, or postdoc, covering tuition, living, insurance. Who's it for? Non-US women in grad or post-grad. You need a bachelor's, full-time study, intent to return home. No fee. Deadline November 15, 2025. Apply online with transcripts, proposals, recommendations. Take Fatima from Pakistan. Funded for a STEM PhD, she's now innovating in renewable energy. Women, this one's for you. But that's just the start. Here's your step-by-step plan. First, research eligibility like your life depends on it. Visit fulbrightonline.org, Knight-Hennessy, Stanford.edu, admissions to Yale.edu, college.harvard.edu, aauw.org. Check 2026 updates. Fulbright's country-specific. Next, gather docs, official transcripts, translated if needed, a 1 to 2 page statement of purpose, recommendation letters. Choose recommenders who know you well. English tests like TOEFL 100+ or IELTS 7+. 4 need-based. Financial statements. Apply online through official portals. No agents, ever. Then, prep for interviews. Practice mock sessions on leadership, your goals. Want to boost your chances? Apply early. Deadlines are strict. Tailor every statement of purpose to the program's mission. Highlight unique experiences, community service, leadership, research. Apply to at least 5 scholarships to maximize odds. And watch out for scams. Real scholarships never ask for fees, bank details, or use shady sites. Stick to .edu, .gov, .org domains. Here's a secret hack. For essays, tell a story. One applicant wrote about teaching herself coding in a village with no electricity. She connected it to her dream of studying AI at Stanford. She's there now. Your story matters. Use it. Another tip. For video statements like Knight-Hennessy's, be authentic but polished. Practice on camera, smile, keep it under 2 minutes. Show passion, not perfection. Let's talk numbers. These scholarships can save you $200,000 to $300,000 over 4 years. That's life-changing. But it's not just money, it's access to networks, mentors, opportunities. One scholar I know met a startup founder at Yale. They're now co-founders of a tech unicorn. That's the hidden value. Still skeptical? Let's revisit Maria from Colombia. Rural teacher, no fancy background. Her Fulbright app focused on her work with kids, her vision for education reform. NYU accepted her, and she's now impacting thousands. So, what's next? Start today. Pick one scholarship, check its website, note the deadline. Most 2026 apps open soon. Fulbright's rolling now. Knight-Hennessy's due October 2025, Yale and Harvard by January 2026, AAUW by November. Don't wait. The earlier you apply, the better your app looks. Rushed apps get rejected. Here's your action plan recap. Step 1. Research eligibility on official sites. Step 2. Collect transcripts, essays, recommendations, test scores. Step 3. Apply through official portals only. Step 4. Prep for interviews like it's a job. Step 5. Dodge scams. Never pay a fee. To stand out, tell your story, apply early, target multiple programs. Want my exact essay formula? I share it in our community. Join via the link below. Your dreams within reach. These scholarships find the brightest, most motivated students worldwide, regardless of background. It takes dedication, research, a killer application, but the opportunity's real. You could be studying at a world-class university, debt-free, building a future most only dream of. So, what's stopping you? Hit that subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links in the description. Drop a comment. Which scholarship are you targeting? Let's make it happen. See you in the next video.